Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. It is 1:06 and 4 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today I'll be taking a break from microbiology and doing my research on space science. So let's hop to it. The secrets of 3,000 galaxies laid bare, shedding light on the evolution of the universe. Date February 2nd, 2021. Source ARC Center of Excellence for All Sky Astrophysics and 3D Astro 3D. Summary. The complex mechanics determining how galaxies spin, grow, cluster, and die have been revealed following the release of all the data gathered during a massive 7-year astronomy research project. The scientists observed 13 galaxies at a time, building to a total of 3,068, using a custom-built instrument called a Sydney AAO Multi-Object Integral Field Spectrograph SAMI. Connected to the 4-meter Anglo-Australian Telescope, AAT, at Siding Spring Observatory in New South Wales. The telescope is operated by the Australian National University, overseen by the ARC Center of Excellence for All Sky Astrophysics in 3 dimensions, Astro 3D. The project used bundles of optical fibers to capture and analyze bands of colors, or spectra at multiple points in each galaxy. The results allowed astronomers from around the world to explore how these galaxies interacted with each other, and how they grew, sped up, or slowed down over time. No two galaxies are alike. They have different bulges, halos, disks, and rings. Some are forming new generations of stars, while others haven't done so for billions of years. And there are powerful feedback loops in them fueled by supermassive black holes. The SAMI survey lets us see the actual internal structures of galaxies, and the results have been surprising. The SAMI survey lets us identify similarities as well as differences, so we can move closer to understanding the forces that affect the fortunes of galaxies over their very long lives. The survey, which began in 2013, has already formed the basis of dozens of astronomy papers, with several more in preparation. A paper describing the final data release, including for the first time details of 888 galaxies within galaxy clusters, was published today on the archive preprint server and in the journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. The nature of galaxies depends both on how massive they are and their environment. For example, they can be lonely in voids, or crowded into the dense heart of galactic clusters, or anywhere in between. The SAMI survey shows how the internal structures of galaxies is related to their mass and environment at the same time, so we can understand how these things influence each other. Research arising from the survey has already revealed several unexpected outcomes. One group of astronomers showed that the direction of a galaxy's spin depends on the other galaxies around it, and changes depending on the galaxy size. Another group showed that the amount of rotation of a galaxy is primarily determined by its mass, with little influence from the surrounding environment. A third looked at galaxies that were winding down star making, and found that for many the process began only a billion years after they drifted into the dense inner city regions of clusters. The SAMI survey was set up to help us answer some really broad top-level questions about galaxy evolution. The detailed information we've gathered will help us to understand fundamental questions such as, why do galaxies look different depending on where they live in the universe? What processes stop galaxies forming new stars? And conversely, what processes drive the formation of new stars? Why do the stars in some galaxies move in a highly ordered rotating disk, while in the other galaxies their orbits are randomly oriented? The survey is finished now, but by making it all public, researchers hope that the data will continue to bear fruit for many, many years to come. The next steps in this research will make use of a new Australian instrument, which researchers called Hector. That will start operation in 2021, increasing the detail and number of galaxies that can be observed. When fully installed in the AAT, Hector will survey 15,000 galaxies. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on astrophysics, computer science, and astronomy. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.